Hi everyone, I know it's already February, but I wanted to unbox my 12 Days of Simply Gilded mystery box, and this was her advent calendar for 2020, and I just didn't have a chance to open it up yet, but yeah, here is the packaging. I love the wrapping paper, it's super cute. It has her Simply Gilded name and her famous little bow, and I think mine did not come with the box that it was supposed to come in, but that's okay with me. So here are the things that it came with. So this is the seals, moon seals in pink foil. And the theme of the box is tranquility. So we have a card that says tranquil. And I just love the colors of these. It's some sage green and light pinks. It also came with this journaling card. And these are quite big too. So I think these will be, it's not as small as her regular journaling card. So these will be perfect to punch and put in a planner. And yeah, so let's start with day one. Day one feels like a washi. Let's see. Yep, so it's her washi tapes. And these are super cute. You can always repurpose them to give, if you want to use them as wrapping gifts for other people. So here is the washi tape that day one came with. So we have this, let's see. So we have this gorgeous mint sage green, and it has gold foiling with some confetti, and here is the stardust washi. It kind of looks blue on camera, but it is the same sage green and pink. Okay, so day two, let me look for day two. So here is day two. And for day two, we got some stickers. So here are, actually you get a lot of stickers. Let's see. So here are the stickers. So we have some hollow bunnies, and they're workout bunnies. So they're in a yoga outfit with a dumbbell. The next sheet is some script stickers in pink foiling. Next we have some icon stars and date covers, or date dots, sorry, date hearts. And then some more heart icons, some bow stickers, rainbow stickers, these are super cute, and some more bunny stickers. And sorry if you can hear some background noises. My parents are doing constructioning, so you might hear some drilling noise. But here is day three. Day three also has washi tape. So these are the washis it came with. So this is, I think this is a perforated header washi. And then we have this word washi tape. And I think this is for tracking water intake. So those are more washi that it comes with. And now we're on day four. So day four also comes with two more washi tapes. And I love this floral. It's super pretty and vintage looking. And also like this washi tape as well. I think it's a plaid, and it has the tiny bows and hearts. Let me put that aside. And now we're on day five. So day five seems like more stickers. Let's see. Yeah, these are seals. And I actually like using these seals to send cards for people, so I use these a lot. So here are the seals. We have some more rainbows, some owl Happy Mail stickers. And these are super pretty. These are like a floral wreath. Some more bow stickers, bow seals. Ooh, you actually get a lot of bow seals. So here's that same watercolor that the box has. This is, let me see if you can see it. This is like a brownish red foiling. And we have some in gold foiling. And this one has sparkly stars, some heart seals, rainbow moons, and then some purple seals. Okay, now I think, yeah, we're on day 6. So here's day 6. And it comes with a big chubby bow. This is quite big. I think this will be cute on a handbag. And it has this cute heart clasp. It's made with faux leather. And now we're on day 7. Oops. Let's see. Oh no. So this is day 7. It got a little stuck. And we have some more washi tapes. Ooh, I really like this house washi tape. It's super cute, and these are some simple line silver foil washi. And then, let's see, we're on day 8. Let's see. So day 8 comes with this larger envelope. Ooh, this is super pretty. I love this color. It's a very soft and flexible pouch. I think it will be able to fit, well, I will use this for putting maybe my electronics in there, like maybe a portable charger to put in my bag. You can also use it for stickers, of course, but this is super cute. And then we just opened day 8, so let's open day 9. Day 9 is a super heavy pouch, and we get a brown colored sticker album. I think this is a sticker album. Let me open it up and see. So here is the scallop sticker album. So these, I really love the interior color, but not so much this brown color. This will be super helpful to organize sticker kits. And now we're on day 10. So the main reason why I purchased this is because of, I heard, well, people were speculating what will be in this kit, and a lot of people said, oh, there might be a galaxy in this kit. So I just thought if this pattern was in a galaxy, it would be super gorgeous. So that's why I ordered it, and in fact, we did get a galaxy, and this is Galaxy 21. People were saying that there was a galaxy number that hasn't been released yet, and they were saying, oh, it must be in this box. But I think she eventually released that galaxy, so I'm super excited because I thought that there won't be a galaxy in this kit. But here is the galaxy, and I just love the mint color and the mint and pink. So here is, and this one we usually get a, let me see. Let me compare it to the galaxy. So here is another galaxy that I own, and this one is actually one of those rainbow sheens on top of the Twilight. So that's super unique. And then let's see, we are on day 11. So we're almost done. So we got a pretty pen. And this is a sticky notepad. This is super cute as well with the same watercolor background. And I love these pens because they are gel pens. Let me test it out for you. So this is actually a gel pen refill, which I love. I'm not really into the ballpoint pens. So let's see. Yeah, and it writes super smooth as well. So I'm excited for this pen. And it's also really, it's a good quality pen as well. It's pretty heavy. And last but not least, for the 12 days of Simply Gilded is this big envelope. Here is day 12. Ooh, and it's this gorgeous desk calendar, which I haven't bought any calendars for 2021 yet. So I'm excited for this item. Oh, there's a little bit of ink. I think it's fine. It doesn't come off, but oh no, it's on the front as well. So here is the desk calendar. And it's super cute. It has gold foiling, and it's just a simple calendar. Ooh, I really love these florals. And then after you're done with this calendar, you can always cut it up to put in your planner, or if you want to not use it as a desk calendar, you can always like trim this and just punch holes. I think it will fit in an A6 rings. Let me see. Okay, so I went and got this Foxy Fix A6 rings dashboard, and it does fit perfectly. So if you want to cut it up and make little dashboards for your planner, it will work. So this is A6 size, so it will definitely work for bigger planners as well, personal wide rings. And yeah, I think I will be cutting this desk planner up because I don't really sit at my desk too much, so that will be perfect for using as dashboards. So let's continue flipping through this. July is this gorgeous owl print with a pink background. I really love this August floral. It's like a muted light brown, grays, and taupe color. Ooh, and marble. I love marble print, as you can tell from my marble contact paper on my table. Here is a constellation one. And then we have this gorgeous print. Ooh, and this one, I think this one's my favorite. This is a pretty watercolor background. It reminds me of a sunset. And I think that's it. Oh, and also it says May artwork by Jeshi Park. So she actually collabed with Jeshi Park for the month of May. So let's go back and look. So this one is actually a collaboration with Jeshi Park. And her watercolors is amazing as well. So yep, so that's all of the items for the 12 days of Simply Gilded, and I'm quite impressed with everything in this kit. The previous advent calendar I got from Simply Gilded, I didn't like it as much because it had a lot of things that we already had, but just in different colorways. So I'm super excited about this one, and I can't wait to use up these things to put in my planners. So here's everything that came in the 12 days of Simply Gilded Advent Calendar for 2020. I hope you like this unboxing with me, and let me know if you would like to see more haul videos in the future. And yep, thank you so much. Bye.